Hey all, here OS Reviews. It's no surprise by now that Xiaomi makes pretty much everything, from phones to shoes to TVs and projectors, and they even make things like shavers for men, which are very portable, easy to carry around. Well, this product today that we are unboxing and just taking a quick first impressions look at is their electric sonic facial cleaning brush. The dimensions here are really similar to a credit card and their mini electric shaver that I just mentioned previously. Definitely in the same design language. So what exactly is a sonic facial cleaning brush? Well, essentially it has a small vibration motor and tiny little bristles that you would then apply a little bit of soap onto, and then by removing oil and clogs in your skin more deeply than you can get by kind of scrubbing it with your hands or fingers. And these are the 4 colors that it comes with. Retails for under 40 bucks. That's actually pretty cost effective because competing against sonic facial cleaner brushes sell for around $200 by other kind of fashion brand names. So again, Xiaomi is definitely undercutting the competition. The biggest question here is whether the quality is going to be as good. Quickly showing kind of what that process looks like. So waking up in the morning, and again, this is what the charging dock is like. Applying a little bit of soap, turning it on. It has several different modes, and then just kind of cleaning your face with it for a minute or two. Rinsing it off, and that's pretty much it. So that's kind of the premise of what this sonic facial cleaner is supposed to do. All right, so this is called the inFace. The packaging here pretty simple. We have just the gray version, QR code on the side there. Now, it doesn't actually connect using Bluetooth to a phone or an app or anything like that, so it's quite simple and straightforward. So here's the charging cable for the dock. It actually is using a proprietary round tip as opposed to USB Type-C or micro USB, but it says inFace on the bottom there. You can plug it onto any power bank or onto any standard wall charger and it will work. We have just the facial cleaner itself inside of its little dock, and we also have a user guide, and that is pretty much it. So very simple packaging, and again, everything in the manual here is printed in Chinese. So here is the, again, dock itself. It's made out of plastic, which just says inFace on the bottom there. Since it's waterproof, you can just rinse it in water to clean it off. On the bottom here for the dock is where you plug it in for charging. The lid open, we have just the cleaner itself, which is made out of very soft kind of silicone around the entire thing, so it does feel very lightweight. And we have just a power key on the top here with a sticker, and it has an indentation as well, very similar to the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 in terms of how this is designed. And we have 3 different color schemes for 3 different densities of the brushes, which are made out of silicone, which you use to clean your face with. On the back here, another sticker. So there's 3 modes, and then you can hold on it again to turn it completely off. Now there isn't a self-timer, so it's not going to turn off automatically after, say, a minute or 90 seconds, something like that, which you may see from electric toothbrushes. So this process of turning it on and off is going to be completely manual. And otherwise, you can see that the brush tips on the bottom here are going to be the softest, followed by the middle here, which are a little bit firmer, and then the top here are the most firm. And so using different parts of kind of the brush will have a slightly different experience on your skin. So you can choose the one depending on, again, how sensitive your skin is. And yes, there is a charging indicator built onto the inFace unit. So you see this glowing faint white LED. That means it's currently charging, and once the LED remains stable without blinking, it means that the charging is complete. And here is just a very quick size comparison with a compact shaver, just to give you an idea of, again, the size. I would say in this day and age, having good hygiene is important both for men and women alike, and something like this can definitely help, especially if you have, again, acne-prone skin or very oily skin that you want to get a deeper clean. So you can check out more details in the links down below, but for now, that's just been our unboxing first impressions of the Xiaomi inFace portable sonic facial cleaning brush.